These are bath bombs by Purellis, and they're for kids, and they're really cute. And they smell amazing. Like, you open the box, and the whole box is like, smells good. Everything natural. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. We've got peach, we've got blueberry, we've got cotton candy, and we have bubblegum and banana. I used the banana bomb, and it came with this little toy. Once it comes with a little, it's in a little plastic thing. Look at the little toy that came out. It's like a little owl. Oh, there we go. It's a little owl. Isn't he cute? Little, super adorable. So my grandson was very excited. He loves to take baths, and he's stoked about this. And it comes with these stickers as well. So you can put the stickers on the toys or stickers on the bath bombs, but the bath bombs drop in there. They fizz out. They're fun to watch. The colors are kind of cool. And then the kids get a toy on the inside. So super cute, super fun. And it comes in a nice little gift box. It's a great gift for Christmas coming up or anything. Like, really fun, really fun.